Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 13. Let us straight away go to our quiz. The transfer of pollen between two different flowers. Cross-pollination. What is expected phenotype ratio resulting from a heterozygous multiplied by a heterozygous monohybrid cross? Three to 1. When two dominant traits are crossed, a white flower and a red flower, which make a pink offspring, the trait is said to be incomplete dominancy. Which blood types can donate all the others? O. A couple has 4 children, all of which are girls. What is the chance that their next child will be a boy? 50%. When Mendel allowed hybrid tall plants to self-pollinate, some of their offsprings were short because the allele of the tall plants segregated during meiosis. New messenger RNA is made through the process of transcription. DNA molecule is a polymer composed of subunits known as nucleotides. Nucleotide, DNA, chromosome, nucleus, and cell. Arranged in order from smallest to the largest in size. A mutation is any mistake or change in the DNA sequence. A nondisjunction mutation results when chromosomes fail to separate properly during meiosis. An agent that can cause a change in DNA is called mutagen. The process by which DNA makes a copy of itself is called replication. Being able to follow exact directions from a double-stranded template and traveling from nucleus to ribosome is the job of messenger RNA. Somatic cell mutations are not passed on to the next generation because they affect only body cells. Which of the sex-linked trait is inherited by more males than females? Hemophilia. In a sex-linked trait, fathers can pass the trait to their sons. None. A daughter who is a carrier would show what shape on a pedigree? A half-filled in circle. Whose chromosome actually determines the gender of the offspring in humans? Fathers. The 23rd pair of chromosomes that differ in males and females are called sex chromosomes. Menstrual flow is the discharge of the uterine lining. The releasing of the egg is called ovulation. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending and trying out Biology Master Part 13. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.